all and welcome back to my classes. Today I will start with a very easy concept which will be useful for lower classes compulsorily. And why I am thinking, because I think I am going very hard and people are one segment only following my videos, and the bigger section which is starting from the lower class of 6 to onwards up to 10 may not be able to follow me up that much energetically. So I want to try myself to bring down for all classes so that my videos will be very interesting and people can follow easily. I am trying. Just give me some space and help me, and I want to know your interest. Please comment on your section so that I understand my audience better. So let's start. This concept says, if any number, let's say 1200, if it has to be perfect square, so there are four kind of questions may come. One, how much to add to make it a perfect square, or how much to deduct to make it a perfect square, or third number, what could be the number by which it can be multiplied to get a perfect square, or likewise what would be the number which has to be divided to make it a perfect square. These are the four kind of question may come. I want to show you with a single number example so that everything could be easily understood and applicable elsewhere, means anywhere you can use. So I am taking this number. So what we have to do for cases where I have been asked to add or subtract, in that case what I will do, I will try to factorize in divisional method. You might know. I am showing what is the division method. By this method, let's try to make it a perfect square. So what I will try? I will try with 3. So it will be 9. So the remaining is 3 and 0 will come down. A double will come here. So what would be the number? By that I will multiply this number to get just lesser or equal. So the maximum number may come, because 5 if I take, that will cross 5 6 is 30, so it will cross. So the maximum I can try with 4. So 4 4s are 16, 4 6 24 25. So here the remaining number what I find is 44. Now see, this is the number given. If I deduct 44 from this number, I will get 34 exact perfect square here. So for the question where you have been asked that what is the number that has to be deducted from this number to get a perfect square, so the perfect square I am getting here is 34. So this is extra for that, so that much I am to deduct. So your question where you are being asked to deduct how much, so this will be the answer. Now the next is, if the same question being asked like that, how much to be added minimum to get a perfect square. So the next to that, because when you will add something, it will increase further, so you will get further higher square. So that means the next square would be 35. So 35 into 35 if I do, it will be 1225. So that means from here to here it is 25 difference. So I have to add 25 to get a perfect square. So this part is over, where I explained what is the amount to be deducted, or what is the amount to be added to get a perfect square. Now the next segment comes, which tells what is the number to be multiplied or divided. So again I will do like that. I will factorize in this method. 300 to 150 to 75, 325, then 5 5 is the. So here you can see these are coming in pair, the numbers. So from this I can easily can say there to make a pair, because once you will make able to make a pair, it will be a perfect square definitely. So here how much number to be multiplied with this to get a perfect square, it would be 3 and another 3 you have to multiply. So you have to multiply 3. Now the same thing when you have been asked to how much number to be divided by this number to get a perfect square, then you have to deduct this number. So this has to be divided. So for in case of division you have to divide by this, in case of multiplication you have to multiply the same number to get a pair. Here you have to obsolete this for division, you have to bring another 3 to make it a perfect square. So this way the single example you will understand. So the number of 4 kind of solution that can be asked in the question. So this way you can solve your question easily for any case. This would be the basic concept for solving this question. I think you have understood. So if you understood, kindly like, give some comment on your comment box, and give me some suggestion further, so that, because some of my little friends who is from class 8 has suggested that I am very much serious during presenting. So this is my natural way of presentation. So I am trying to be very easy while I am doing that. So I definitely improve upon. So kindly give such suggestions so that I can improve upon, and kindly share it in your group. Again I am requesting, so that it will be useful for further and bigger group. Thank you for now.